My name's William Ritchie from Rtec. The world has produced more than 8 billion tonnes of plastic, and now the oceans contain more than 5 trillion plastic particles. This is completely unsustainable, and the reason recycling has not addressed this pollution problem is simple. Plastic recycling is process heavy and costly, so many recycled product options are simply not cost competitive with alternatives. In fact, when energy prices are low, manufacturing with virgin plastic can be cheaper than using recycled plastic. That's despite virgin polymer requiring 80% more energy to produce. The solution? Well, recycling is a big part of the solution landscape, but the market will be the deciding force. Simply scaling up recycling as we know it, which is the easy option, will not be enough to make recycling products competitive with alternatives. What is required is change. Change in how we recycle and think about plastic recycling at all levels. This requires new innovations, systems and technologies. This is where Rtec comes in. We are a technology company dedicated to producing new and innovative recycling technologies, approaches and systems. Rtec's principal recycling innovations are two independent melting systems that bulk melt plastic waste. This will allow direct manufacturing applications and potentially the development of a quality certified exportable ingot system. Our other technology projects include a prototype rotary pipe mould and a mobile compactor for 20-litre plastic drums. To validate our markets, we've engaged key stakeholders across the recycling industry. The feedback we have received has been positive. Our research indicates significant industry interest and market potential both in Australia and overseas. Therefore, we are now actively seeking funding to advance our prototypes to fully demonstrate our technology and concepts. Our research indicates there is very little to no market competition at this point. This is largely because the plastic recycling industry is modelled on the virgin polymer industry and employs many of the same methods and approaches. This leaves significant scope for disruptive technologies and new ways of thinking specific to recycling with the aim of lowering recycling costs, because adjusted price points mean new market opportunities. The team at Rtec is comprised of Michael Ritchie and myself as founding directors. Michael has over 30 years experience in plastic recycling, and myself, I'm a PhD scientist with research and development experience across numerous industries. This combination of industry knowledge and technical expertise has allowed us to examine problems within the plastic recycling industry to conceive, develop, validate several innovative new technologies. As for the future, with investment comes the ability to fast-track our technologies into commercial enterprises to generate revenues and recycle plastic in bulk. More than ever, it is imperative that we lower recycling costs, increase recycling rates and ultimately reduce plastic pollution. In short, there needs to be a recycling revolution if we are to secure a sustainable future. Thank you very much.